What's up, everybody? This is Matt. We're back here at the Mechman R&D Lab. We're working on our project here. We're designing a dual alternator system for this motorhome so that we don't have to bother with a generator. Essentially, what we're going to do is have a completely dedicated secondary 48-volt system that goes into the entry where the shore power goes in, so we can run the coach off of the factory 12-volt dry camping setup, the shore power plug, or our 48-volt system, and run off the 600 amp hour of batteries that we're going to be putting back here. We're putting 300 amp hours of lithium battery on each side. We're going to reinforce the floor to be able to support the weight. Basically, that much capacity should allow us to camp for 1 to 2 days, 3 days even, depending on how much current we're using. And if the batteries get low, all you have to do is fire up the coach and let it idle for an hour or two. Good to go, and you don't have to listen to the generator. This coach is actually quieter than the generator that's on board. It's a great option for people that don't have space or don't want to bother with a generator or just don't like the noise. So check us out at mechman.com and follow this project as we go.